Hi everyone, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to use bold text or bold characters and italic text or italic characters, and also how to apply comments or what comments are in the XHTML code. So the first thing, let's start by creating some bold text. It's very easy. So we have here the code that we created from the last video. I advise you always to save the code when we end the lecture, because probably we will proceed in the next lecture with the same code we saved previously. So to create a bold character or a bold text part of the text, we just type the B tags and close B. So in this way, if we opened here the B tag, close it here, whatever it's inside as a content, which is "this are the news," will be in bold. And to prove it, I'm gonna show you, and there it is. Okay, we have this in bold and the rest is normal text. So if I just put the closing B tag here, this will be all in bold. Okay guys, very simple. You might also see the strong tag, which was used also in HTML, which is pretty similar to bold text or characters. And as you'll see, if I refresh, it doesn't change. It's basically the same. So you might see this around to put some bold text in the content of a web page. We also have the italic, which is defined by the I tag. Okay, and let's close it here. So everything in here will be in italic. So let's refresh, and there it is. Perfect. Okay, there's also another optional tag. Instead of I, you could see for italic characterization or italic style, that is the EM. Okay, instead of I, you might see EM, and basically it does the same to the text. As you will see, I will refresh, and basically it's italic as well, but it was used a lot as well in HTML, and you might see this around. So you can use either I or EM, both work and both are supported by XHTML. So another thing that I want to show you and explain to you is you might see a lot of comments in other XHTML code that you see around or from another developer. And comments basically are used to make some little notes or put some little notes so you don't forget to what that content has or what you should do for that part of the code in the next day, and you don't forget it. Simple notes you can apply inside your code, but it doesn't show on your browser. So you can always leave them there, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's say we have this line of code here with the content, and I want to put some comments in here. So what I do is the exclamation symbol here, and then two minus symbols here, as you can see here, and then let's type something like "don't forget to end this section on Friday," or something like that. So it's a message for you or for your own project, so you don't forget it, or you can leave a message if you're working with another developer. And this will be here, and as you can see, it's in green, and no one will see this unless you open the file and you see the code. This won't be presented to the user on the browser. As you'll see, let's save this, and let me refresh, and there it is. Okay, nobody sees it. This will only be presented to the developer in the code. Okay, so this is how we make comments on XHTML code, and we can still put this down here and type here whatever we want. Everything will be in green, and everything will be considered as comments, okay, whenever it's between these tags. Other thing that I should talk as well is a block quote. What is a block quote? Block quote are basically an excerpt from a copyright source, and you can set it down the page or down content text. So I'm going to show you a very, very simple example. Let's say we have, let's put this here and call this type more. The guy was waiting for it and was arrested. Now down here, whenever you want to type some little content or text from a copyrighted source, we type a block quote. And to type block quote, just type block quote tag here, okay, and close it, of course. Okay, so whatever we type between them, you'll see how it presents right now in a minute. Let me just grab this. News came from CNN and other sources, as well as other journalists, or something like that. Type whatever you want just to see the result, and make sure you save this, and if you refresh it, there it is. You basically have paragraphs up in here, and then you have a little space in here. This is for all the copyrighted source that talks about the author or something about the source of the report. So this is how you do it, and it's very used for website news and all that. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and hope you are practicing your skills, and we will learn a lot more. Okay, see you.